Hi guys, Ron here from Out and About Outdoors. Harry's behind me. We're here at our nice, wonderful fishing hole, the canal. It's a Lehigh Canal, somewhere on it. Y'all can figure it out, I guess, if you really want to know. Try to keep it a little quiet because it's already overfished, but we like to fish here. And we're going to do it now, see if we can't catch a couple fish. All right? Bring y'all back when we get somebody to do some committing. Got a fish on, guys. Got one on. Looks like a pickler. A pretty nice one. Not too jumbo, but fairly nice pickerel. Let's see if we can get him up here. Alrighty. Alright, first fish of the day. Flopped off. But we got him here. There you go. Pretty nice pickerel. A little on the skinny side, but he's got some length to him. Get him back here. There he goes. He's in the water. All right, that was fun. Let's see if we can get another one, huh? Came tight against the bank. Seems like that's where they're at. Put that down there. Anything? Had a couple right here that came up to pull on my worm, and they were nice fish. They got off. Got them. Fish on, guys. Got a big old bluegill coming up here. There we go. Fish on. Nice bluegill. Pretty nice fish, huh? What do you think, Harry?
Nice bluegill.
Pretty nice one. Yep. We'll get him back over here by the tree so he's safe from them toothy critters that are out there. See if we can get another one. What do you think? Monster over there, guys. Monster. Just missed the monster. See if we can get him back. There he is. I got him. Got him. There he is, guys. Can you see him? There he is. Monster. Monster of the deep. Let's get him up here. Let's get him up here. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, missed him. That's okay. We had him. That's okay. Quick release. Quick release. Got a fish, I think. We think he got a fish. Or he does.
Weeds.
Huh? Can you get it out?
No, it's not weeds.
Oh,
It's his head.
He's got a bluegill out there, it looks like. Look at a big old bluegill, Harry. Oh, it's a big old perch.
A lot of weeds.
It's a big old perch. Look at that. Some ride there. That's some ride. Look at that. Red meat. The things you see at the canal. Guys, got a fish here. Looks like it's a little bass. Small bass. Yeah. Tell you what we're going to do with him. We're going to take him back up here and put him in the canal, where everybody can enjoy him in a few years when he gets bigger. Then we'll come back down. What do you think? Huh? Little catch and release. I was fishing there. That's the old canal that runs along the river where there was a cut to go back in and out. Caught this nice little bass. We're going to drop him off up here. No sense in losing him if we don't have to. There he is. Nice little bass. Now he's in the canal where everybody can enjoy him. See if we get another one. A little more, guys. See if we catch anything here. All right. Oh, we got a fish on. A fish on, guys. Yep, a fish on. Looks like a. Oh, it's a nice little perch. Let's take him up, put him in the canal, like we did the bass. All right. No sense in throwing that away. Put him in the canal. Hey, what are you doing, Harry? What are you doing? Oh yeah, this is the second one I caught. No, put him in the canal. That way, we have them for prosperity. They probably washed out of the canal. So just put them back. There we go. I call that stocking. Going with you. They were biting, but they stopped.